A person who loves all mankind, someone who freely gives money and help to people who need it, philanthropist. An inscription on a tombstone in the memory of the person who has died, epitaph, samadhi lake. Something no longer in use, obsolete, apachlit. Obsolete, apachlit. Handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read, illegible, apatniye. Something that cannot be avoided, inevitable, atal, certain to people. A place for keeping the birds in a confined space, aviary, pakshiyadhala, chiriyaghar. Belonging to the same time, a person living in the same age with another contemporary, samkaleen. A person who can endure pain or hardship without showing his feelings or complaining, stoic, सहनशील भावहीन, stoic. One who doesn't believe in the existence of God, atheist, नास्तिक. A person who draws or makes maps, cartographer, चित्रकार. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place, catastrophe, claustrophobia, छोटे ने का डर, claustrophobia. One who knows everything, omniscient, सर्वज्ञानी. A solution for all difficulties or disease, panacea, Rambani Raj. A person who knows and is able to use several languages, polyglot, bahubhashi, polyglot. An arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence, chronology, कालक्रम. A speech or presentation made without previous preparation, extempore, बिना तैयारी के. One who is difficult to please, fastidious, तनुक मिजाज हटी. An imagined society where everything is perfect and everyone is happy, place of ideal perfection, especially in laws, government and social condition, utopia, Ram Raj, साम्राज्य, राजशाही राज्य. One who plays for pleasure rather than as a profession, a person who is neither well experienced nor a professional novice, who is inept at particularly amateur, showkiness. Able to use the left hand and right hand equally, ambidextrous, a person who attacks or criticizes cherished beliefs or institutions, iconoclast, रिवाज तोड़ने वाला, iconoclast. One who cannot make mistake, infallible, अचूक, infallible. Someone who makes charitable donations intended to the welfare of other people, altruist, परोपकारी. The place where public, government or historical records are kept, archive, अभिलेखागार. A person who loves or collects book, bibliophile, पुस्तक प्रेमी. The murder of a whole race or a group of people, genocide, नरसंहार. A sound that cannot be heard, inaudible, survey. One who cannot be corrected, one who is beyond reform, incorrigible, असंशोधनीय, जो कभी सुधारा नहीं जा सके, incorrigible. A person who writes and edits dictionaries, lexicographer, शब्दकोश के लेखक, lexicographer. Someone working or acting merely for money or other rewards, a soldier who fights for the sake of money, mercenary, किराए का सैनिक, mercenary. A person who hates and avoids other people, misanthropy, मनोद्वेषी. Sentimental longing for a period in the past, nostalgia, अतीत की घटनाओं की यादें. Animal that can live both on land and in water, amphibian, Becher. The life history of a person written by himself, autobiography. A person who eats human flesh, cannibal. A person employed to drive a private or hired car, chauffeur, motor वाहक chauffeur. The scientific study of worms and insects, entomology, कीट विज्ञान. One who is unable to pay debts, insolvent, bankrupt, दिवालिया. A person with a strong desire to steal, kleptomania, चोरी करने की बीमारी, kleptomania. Government or rule by a small group of people, oligarchy, अल्पतंत्र, oligarchy, अल्पतंत्र. One who is all powerful, omnipotent, सर्वशक्तिमान. A person who collects or studies stamps, philatelist, डाक के टिकट का संग्राहक, philatelist. A person who never takes alcoholic drinks, teetotaler, पूर्णतः मद्य त्यागी, teetotaler. Someone having many skills, versatile, सर्वगुण संपन्न, many skills, versatile, सर्वगुण संपन्न. A person who believes that laws and governments are not necessary. A person who believes in or tries to bring about a state of lawlessness, anarchist, अराजकतावादी. The art of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy, सुलेख. A group of stars that forms a shape in the sky and has a name, constellation, nakshatra, constellation. An animal that lives in groups, tending to associate with other of kind, gregarious, झुंड में रहने वाला, gregarious. A quiet person who is more interested in his own thoughts and feelings than in spending time with other people, introvert, अंतर्मुखी व्यक्ति. A piece of land or garden in which fruit trees are grown, orchard, यानी फलोद्यान. Field fit to drink, potable, पीने योग्य. A person who helps another to commit a crime or to do something morally wrong, a partner in crime, accomplice, सहअपराधी. One who is not sure about God's existence, agnostic, ईश्वर के बारे में संशयवादी, agnostic. A partial or total loss of memory, amnesia, भूलने की बीमारी, amnesia. A partial or total loss of memory, amnesia. A situation in country, an organization, etc., in which there is no government order or control, anarchy, अव्यवस्था, अराजकता. A person who regards the whole world as his country, one who is a citizen not of a country but of the world, cosmopolitan, संसार का नागरिक. A person who leaves his country to live in another, emigrant, lasting for a very short time, ephemeral, क्षणिक, ephemeral, for a very short time, ephemeral, क्षणिक. To free somebody from all blame, exonerate, दोष मुक्त करना, exonerate. One who is easily deceived, gullible, holding an office without receiving a pay, honorary. A person who suffers from an imaginary illness, a person who is abnormally anxious about his health, hypochondriac, रोग भर्मी. A person pretending to be somebody he isn't, hypocrite, पाखंडी. That which cannot be conquered, invincible. A place where money is coined by authority of the government Mint Taxal. A person who admires himself herself too much, especially his appearance. Narcissist, Atmapremi. Well known for being bad, a person of ill reputation, notorious, Kukyat. A person who collects coin, numismatist. A large number of fish swimming together, shovel. A place where bees are kept, apiary. A military structure where arms and ammunition and other military equipment are stored, arsenal. The story of a person's life written by somebody else's biography. House or shelter of gypsy, a group of people, especially traders or pilgrims, travel together across a desert. Pilgrim caravan यानी काफिला. A man who knows a lot about things like food, music and art, connoisseur, विशेषज्ञ पारखी connoisseur. Man behaving more like a woman than as a man effeminate, नारी जैसा effeminate. A poem that expresses lament for dead, elegy, shogit, elegy. A short speech at the end of a play, epilogue, upsahar. A person who believes that all events are predetermined or subject to fate, fatalist, bhavishyavadi, bhagyavadi. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers, florist, फूल वाला. Extreme fear of water, hydrophobia. A plan of a journey, including the route and the place that will be visited, itinerary, yatra कार्यक्रम. A copy of a book, a piece of music, etc. before it has been printed. A paper written by hand, manuscript, हस्तलेखित. A person who dislikes women, misogynist. A person who walks on foot and not traveling in a vehicle, pedestrian. A person who always expects bad things to happen or something not to be successful, pessimist, nirashawadi. Occurring or coming into existence after a person's posthumous marnopranth. The murder of a king, regicide. Someone who walks about in silp, somnambulist. The scientific study of a sound, acoustics, ध्वनि विज्ञान. The money paid to be former wife, husband or partner when the marriage is ended, alimony. The study of human race, especially of its origin, development, custom and beliefs, anthropology. A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept, aquarium. A person who is chosen to settle a disagreement, a person appointed by two parties to resolve a dispute, arbitrator. The study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites, archaeology. A government by nobles, government by person of highest social order, aristocracy. Hard but easily broken, liable to break, easily brittle. An assembly of worshippers, a group of people who have some come together in religious building for worship in and prayer. Congregation, धार्मिक सभा, congregation. A keeper or a custodian of a museum or other collection, curator, संग्रहालय अध्यक्ष. The scientific study of skin disease, dermatology, त्वचा विज्ञान. Causing or ending in death, fatal, घातक. One who eats too much gluten, P2. A person who cannot read or write, illiterate. The condition of being unable to sleep over a period of time, insomnia. Somnia. A person who supervises during an examination, invigilator. That through which light cannot pass, opaque. Violation is a violation of something holy or sacred, sacrilege, अपवित्रीकरण, sacrilege. A speech made to oneself, soliloquy. One who lends money on high rates of interest, usurer, सूदखोर. One who offers one's services without being forced, volunteer. To give up one's authority or those abdicate. A publication containing astronomical or meteorological annual calendar that contains important dates and time. Almanac, Panchang. Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible senses and therefore not definite, ambiguous. Sandigad, अस्पष्ट. Whose name are not known, and another unknown author, anonymous. A person who renounces a religious or political belief or principle, apostate, Swadharm Tyagi. One who makes an official examination of accounts, financial records, auditor, हिसाब किताब की जांच करने वाला auditor. A person who can speak only two languages, bilingual. Words uttered impiously about God, the act of speaking irreverently about sacred things, blasphemy. The scientific study of plants and their structure, botany. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present, bouquet. A person that one work with at the same place in profession or business, colleague. Gradual recovery of health and strength, convalescence. A person who readily believes others, easily credulous. A doctor who studies or and treats skin disease, dermatologist. A thing too fit to be eaten, edible. Widespread outbreak of a disease which affects large population at the same time, epidemic. A person motivated by irrational enthusiasm, fanatic. The plants and vegetation of a particular region, flora. A person who has escaped from captivity or is in hiding, fugitive, pagoda. The study of earth, including the origin and history of the rocks and soil of which earth is made, geology. That which cannot be believed, incredible. Incapable of feeling tired or exhausted, indefatigable. That can burn or catches fire easily, inflammable. That which cannot be called back, irrevocable. Giving undue favors to one's own kith and kin, nepotism. A person who is new to a profession without training or experience in a skill or subject, novice. The study of or collection of coins, numismatics. A notice of a person's death, obituary. One who see bright side of things, optimist. A person who opposes war or use of military force, pacifist. A person who doesn't like, understand or enjoy The beauty of art, literature, music, Philistine, a sixth, stealing of ideas or writing of someone else, plagiarism, साहित्यिक चोरी, plagiarism, साहित्यिक चोरी, governed by the richest people of the country, plutocracy, the scientific study of the mind and how it influences behavior, psychology. A person who withdraws from the world to live in seclusion and often in solitude, recluse, vairagi. A close-fitting cover for a sword or knife, covered for the blade of a weapon or a tool, sheath, mehan. Something kept as a reminder of an event, souvenir, nishani. In exactly the same words as were used originally, verbatim, शब्द प्रति शब्द. A person who is long experienced or practiced in an activity, veteran, अनुभवी, अनुभवी. A decorative ring of flowers and leaves, wreath, फूलों की माला. Fear of great heights, acrophobia. Concerned with beauty or appreciation of beauty, aesthetic. A list of items to be discussed at a meeting agenda. A medicine to nullify the effect of poison or another medicine antidote. Animals and plants growing or living in or near water, aquatic. One who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasures, ascetic, sannyasi. A person engaged in or trained for space flight, astronaut. The scientific study of a celestial body like sun, moon, stars, planets, astronomy. A doctor who specializes in the study or treatment of heart disease, cardiologist. Animal that can eat meat, carnivorous. A place where gambling games are played, casino. A list of collection of books or informative graphics catalog. A funeral procession, cortege, Savyatra. Center of attraction, Cynosure, Bindu. A leader who sways his followers by his oratory, demagogue, Janotag demagogue. The study of population and its dynamics, demography. A large bedroom for a number of people in a school or institution, dormitory, Sainagar. A game in which no one wins, draw. A book or set of books giving information about all areas of knowledge, encyclopedia, Visavas. Murder of one's brother or sister, fratricide, Bhratratya. A very small village, hamlet, Chotana. A building in which aircraft are housed, hangar, Vimansala. All things or people the same or similar kind of nature, homogeneous. The study of growing garden plants, horticulture, that which cannot be satisfied, insatiable. Someone who is killed fighting for the cause of religion or faith, martyr. A place for keeping dead bodies before burial or cremation, mortuary, Savgrah. Present everywhere, omnipresent, the scientific study of birds, ornithology. A fictitious name, especially one assumed by an author, pseudonym, upnam. Dress with medals, ribbons worn at official ceremony, symbols of royalty. Regalia, Rachin, Padrichin, Regalia. A person very reserved in speech, reticent, Alpabasi. One who helps a person in need, Samaritan. An office with high salary but no work sinecure. The study of the nature of God and religious beliefs, the study of religion, theology, a place where animals are slaughtered for consumption as food, abattoir, an official pardon, the formal act of liberating someone, amnesty rasma, a system of government of a country in which one person has complete power, autocracy. A large bundle bound for storage or transparent bail, gathriya. One who is unable to pay his debts, bankrupt, insolvent. An instrument used for measuring atmospheric pressure, barometer. A group of girls, boys, or birds, etc. Bewai, Hyundai. A list of books referred to in a scholarly work, bibliography. A government run by officials in a state bureaucracy, नौकरशाही. Harsh or discordant sound, loud, confusing, disagreeable sound, an incongruous or chaotic mixture, cacophony. A person who is skilled at producing beautiful handwriting, calligrapher. The art of process or of drawing or making maps, cartography. One who plans the steps and moves in a dance, choreographer. Visually spread from one person to another, a disease which spreads with contagious. One who sneers at the aims and beliefs of his fellow men, a person who believes that only selfishness motivates human actions, cynic. A system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect their representatives, democracy.